Hello students, my name is Gopal Charan Sao, your maths teacher from St. Teresa School. Okay. Today we are continuing the chapter integration. Okay. Indefinite integration we will do. Let us take one question. Integration sin x plus cos x by sin 2x root over whole dx given. How to proceed? Just to see that I am applying the technique here. Let sin x minus cos x is equal to u. Now tell derivative of sin x is how much? Cos x. And this will be how much? Plus sin x whole dx is equal to du. Now squaring both sides, this one squaring both sides. What I will get here? Sin square plus cos square, that will be 1, and minus 2 sin x cos, that will be sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to how much? U square. Now tell me, what is the value of sin 2x? That is equal to 1 minus u square. Okay. Now everything you have to put the value. Sin x minus cos x I have taken as u, and cos x plus sin x dx is equal to how much? Du. Now tell me, integration sin x plus cos x whole dx equal to how much? Let us see du divided by what is the value of sin 2x? That is 1 minus u square. 1 minus u square root over. Okay. Now tell me the formula for dx by 1 minus x square, that is sin inverse u plus c. Now put the value of u, sin inverse, what is u? That is sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x, bracket close, plus c, integration constant, and this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer of number 1. Question given sin x plus cos x by sin 2x root over whole dx. I am taking substitution method, sin x minus cos x as u, then in cos x plus sin x will be whole dx will be du. Squaring both sides I will get 1 minus sin 2x equal to u square. From here I am getting sin 2x is equal to how much? That is 1 minus u square. Just to see here, 1 minus u square. And that value you have to put here. Okay. You put here. Then what is the answer? This is the answer. Okay. Let us go next number 2. See, I am taking question number 2 like this. Integration dx by 9 plus 16 sin square x. See the type of question given, dx by 9 plus 16 sin square x. How to complete the integration? Okay. See here I am doing integration sin dx by, here 9 given. See here 9 means 9 into 1. I can write here 9 into 1. 1 means what? Sin square x plus cos square x. I can write. Then plus 16 sin square x. Very carefully follow here. This 9 means 9 into 1. 1 means I know sin square plus cos square. Now open the bracket. What I will get here? Integration dx by 9 cos square x plus 9 sin square plus 16 sin square. This will be 25 sin square x. Next step you have to do like this. Dividing cos square x both numerator as well as denominator. What I will get here? If I divide cos square x, this will be sec square x. Dividing cos square x both numerator as well as denominator. This will be 9 plus 25 tan square x. Okay. Now let tan x is equal to u. So what is the derivative of tan x? That will be sec square x dx equal to du. Okay. Now tell me, sec square x dx will be how much? Du. This is 9 means what? 3 whole square plus 25 means 5, 4, 5, tan means what? U. means 5u whole square. Now you have to apply the formula here, dx by a square plus x square. What is that formula? 1 by a means 1 by a means here 1 by 3. Again the coefficient of u is what? 5 means again you have to divide 1 by 5. Tan inverse x by a means 5u by a means what? 3 plus c integration constant. Finally how much you are getting? This will be 1 by 15 tan inverse 5u. What is u? That is tan x. 5 tan x by 3 plus c. This is the answer of number 2. Let me explain slide again. See question given dx by 9 plus 16 sin square x. From this question you have to convert 9 means 9 into 1. 1 means what? Sin square x plus cos square x. If I just instead of 9 into 1, I am writing this one. Now open the bracket, you simplify, you are getting this one. Dividing cos square x both numerator as well as denominator. I will get here 9 and here I will get 25 tan square x. This will be sec square x. Now let tan x equal to u. What is the derivative of tan? That is sec square x dx. Now put the value of sec square x dx as du. 9 means 3 whole square. This will be 5u whole square. Now coefficient of u is what? 5. Coefficient of u is 5. And what is a? That is 3. As per the formula, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, but the coefficient of u is divided. 1 by a, this is 1 by 5 tan inverse 5u by 3. 1 by 15 tan inverse, put the value of u here. This is the final answer of number 2. Let us go number 3. See, I am taking question number 3 like dx by x square plus 1 whole into x square plus 4. See, this is a question given how to integrate this one. Let us see. I am doing like this. Integration sign. Can you, this is single fraction. Can you make it partial fraction? Like this. Just write here 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 4. Okay. Hold dx. This will come here x square plus 4 and this will come here, that means 3. You have to adjust here. 1 by 3 you have to write here. Okay. Now 1 by 3 you take it outside. Integration dx by x square plus 1 minus integration sign dx by, this will be x square plus 4 means what? 2 whole square, bracket close. 1 by 3, what is the formula for dx by x square plus 1? This will be tan inverse x, no doubt. Tan inverse x. And this will be, sorry, this is minus sign given. Okay, this is minus. 1 by a means 1 by 2. Tan inverse x by a means x by 2. Bracket close plus c. Okay. Now, just to 1 by 2, take it 2 outside, means this will be 1 by 6 and this will be brackets 2 tan inverse x minus tan inverse x by 2. Okay, bracket close plus c. See the question type number 3 I have taken from the book exercise. Dx by x square plus 1 again x square plus 4. This is 2 brackets. There are 2 factors are there. 2 factors means you have to make it 2 fraction, means partial fraction you have to make it 1 by this minus 1 by this. 1 3 is coming here. You have to adjust here. I have written here 1 by 3. Okay, because 3 is coming numerator after simplification. I have adjusted taking 1 by 3 outside. Just using the formula, I am getting the answer of number 3. Let us go number 4. Hello students. Question number 4 I am taking from book exercise. See, sin x dx by sin square x plus 4 cos square. This is the question given. How to proceed or how to solve this integration? Okay. See here. Question given sin x dx in the numerator, derivative given sin square x plus 4 cos square x. if I divide cos square x both numerator as well as denominator, if I divide cos square x both numerator as well as denominator, so this will be what? Sin x by cos square x means sec x into tan x dx, and this will be what? This will be tan square x, and this will be 4. Dividing cos square x both numerator as well as, if I divide cos square x, this will be sin x by cos square x, means sin by cos tan, and 1 by cos, that is sec x into tan x dx. Divide cos square means this will be tan square, this will be only 4. Now do one thing here. This is sec x into tan x dx, and denominator you have to write like this. Take 1 from here. 1 plus tan square is how much? Sec square x. Sec square x. This will left 4. Okay. After that, I think you can do this. Let sec x is equal to u. What is the derivative of sec x? That is sec x tan x dx is equal to du. Now put the value of sec x tan x dx is equal to how much? Du. And what is sec x? That is u. This is u square. 3 means what? Root 3 whole square. Now tell me, the formula will be how much? 1 by a tan inverse u by root 3 plus c. Okay. Now 1 by root 3 tan inverse, what is the value of u? That is sec x. I have substitution. U is what? Sec x by root 3 plus c. Okay. And this is the answer of number 4. Question given sin x dx by sin square x plus 4 cos square x. I have divided cos square x both numerator as well as denominator. I am getting this one. Again tan square x plus 4. You take 1 from here. 1 for tan square x almost 6 square x. 4 means what? 3. I have taken 1 there. Now taking sec x as u, this will be derivative sec x into tan x dx. Du means derivative of u. Putting the value of sec x tan x dx as du, and substituting the value, we are getting the result 1 by root 3 tan inverse sec x by root 3 plus c. This is the answer of number 4. Let us go number 5. Last question will be today. See, I am taking question number 5 like this. Integration sin square x dx by cos to the power 6x. Okay. Here sin square given, denominator given cos to the power 6x. How to simplify? Just to follow the process. You write here integration sin square x. Just to separate here, this is right here cos square x, 1 bracket, and another bracket you write 1 by cos to the power 4x whole dx. Okay. Now tell me, sin square by cos square is how much? Tan square x. And 1 by cos to the power means this will be sec to the power 4. Sec to the power 4x dx. Okay. Again you simplify here. Tan square means what? Tan square means sec square x minus 1. Otherwise keep the tan square here like this. Tan square x. Here given sec to the power 4 given. 1 right, 1 plus tan square means sec square. Another sec square you write here. Sec square x dx. Okay. Sec to the power 4 I have separated like sec square means 1 per tan square. Another sec square keeping here. Now which one I have to substitute? Let tan x is equal to u. Let tan x is equal to u. What is the derivative of tan x? That is sec square x dx is equal to du. Now put the value of tan x here. Okay. How much I will get here? Tan x is equal to u. This will be u square. This will be 1 plus u square. Okay. Tan square given here. Here 1 plus tan square means 1 plus u square. Sec square x dx means this will be how much? Du. Now you open the bracket. This will be what? U square du plus u to the power 4 du. This will be how much? 1 by 3 u cube plus 1 by 5 u to the power 5 plus c. Now put the value of u here. This is 1 by 3. U means what? Tan x. This will be tan cube x plus 1 by 5 tan to the power 5x plus c. Okay. Very carefully you have to practice this type of sum. Technical sum given. You have to simplify in proper manner by which you can apply in proper way. Okay. I am taking tan x as u. Derivative tan x is sec square x dx and this will be du. Put in the value of this, you are getting the result. Okay. I hope you are able to catch the process of solving number 5. Today we have completed a 1 to 5 sum. Next we will continue this chapter integration. This is indefinite integration. Thank you very much for today.